So we have got the arm retracted because it's going to be retracted when the gate's in the open position. I'm holding everything in place, and I've marked this side, the side that's closest to the hinge. Okay. Now we have it set up with the piston extended and the gate in the closed position. And I'm going to mark the other end of the bracket. The ideal place for this bracket is going to be in the center of these two lines. So as we get ready to mount this bracket, there's the two marks. There's one right there and one right there, and we're right in the center of it. That allows the gate operator to operate without going all the way to the ends, which is important. I'm going to mark these two right in the center so I can move that bracket back and forth as much as possible. Then I get them drilled out.